In this video, we're covering complementary and supplementary angles. Now, a complementary angle are angles that add up to a total of 90 degrees. That's important. Complementary add up to a total of 90 degrees. So knowing that, we can say that angles in a right angle are complementary. So if you look in that diagram below, I've split it in two. We have one angle that is A, so we can say that this here is A, and then we have another angle down here that's B. Now, A and B, when you add them together, add up to 90 because we have our little box here that indicates 90. So A and B are what we call complementary angles. So the next one we're looking at is what we call supplementary angles. Now these angles are ones that add up to a total of 180 degrees. So angles on a straight line are supplementary. So again, if I have an angle here, M, and over here I have an angle N, together, so angle M plus angle N equals 180. So angle M and angle N are what we call supplementary angles. So here we're going to find the complement of 70 degrees. Now remember, complement is 90 degrees. So I know it's going to be 90, take away 70. So I'm left over with 20 degrees. So 20 degrees is the complement of 70. So we can do that again. 90 degrees minus 66 degrees. And that gets me 24 degrees. So the complement of 66 is 24 degrees. Here we go, we'll do one more. 90 degrees, take away 57 is 33 degrees. So now we'll do another one, find the supplement of 150. So remember, supplement was 180 degrees. And this time we're minusing our 150. So the supplement of 150 degrees is 30 degrees. We'll do another one here, 87, and we start the same way. 180 degrees, take away 87 degrees, gets me an answer of 93 degrees. So the supplement of 87 degrees is 93 degrees. Now below we're going to answer some other problems that we might come across, and we need to find the value of the pronumeral. Now the pronumeral is just a fancy word for we're finding the value of the letter in this case. So as you can see here, we've got angle C, and it comes from up here, if I draw an arrow, down to here. Alright, now we need to find what that angle is. Now, both of them, both angle 26 and angle 58, make up angle C. So I can say that angle C is going to equal 26 plus 58. So angle C is 84 degrees. Now if I go do this next one down here, we have angle A, which goes from all the way over here to all the way over here. And inside angle A, we have this 50 degrees and this 130. So angle A is going to equal 50 degrees plus 130. So angle A is going to be 180 degrees. We'll look at the next one. This time we're trying to find this X in here. We know that the both of them together is 120. So what we can do here is we can write that 120 should equal 80 plus X. So I'm trying to find a value for X that'll get me from 80 to 120. Now what you could do is go X is going to equal 120, take away 80, and what that gets me is 40 degrees. Now if I go back and test it, 80 plus 40 is 120, so X is 40 degrees. And we'll try this last one here. We have angle B, and we know it is part of a right angle, and I know the other part is 75, so I can go 90 should equal B plus 75, or B will be 90, take away 75, which is 15 degrees.